again, and a few of you wanted to see a few minor improvements on this little guy. So here it is. This is MiniBots, MiniSpies, MINICON's Cars version 2. And what's new about version 2? Well, they're going to have separate legs instead of one big piece. So, looks pretty much the same. We're pretty close. So, if you haven't seen the old video, go check it out. And if you are here for the new video, let's show you what pieces you'll need, and let's show you how to build and transform this version 2 of the MINICON, MiniSpy, MiniBot, whatever you want to call it, little car part 2 or version 2. Okay, so here are the parts you're going to need. So pause the video here if you need to and go grab these parts. Similar to last time with a few changes, and you'll see as we do the build. So without further ado, let's get to construction of this little version 2. Okay, so similar to the first one, you're going to take this bracket piece like this, and then you're going to take the 1x1 brick with the knob on both sides and put it in like so. Take your little piece with the clip on and put it here. So this is what you're going to have to start off, and we might as well do the whole front. So we're then going to take this 1x2 curve piece and put it on like this. Take the 1x2 plate on like so, and the yellow round 1x1 plate with hole, and put it in there to become the head or the connecting point of the former. From here, let's see what we're going to do next. I think we are going to take the 1x2 slope piece here and put it on like this to form the front or the windshield of the vehicle. Let's just put that down for a second here. Okay, so from here we're going to add on the little new pieces, which of course are going to help make the legs into 2 pieces instead of 1. So these new pieces here that have the little clip on them, you're going to want to put them with the stud facing away and put on 2 like that, and then you're going to want to fold them back like this. Take your 1x1 with the clip on it and press them in like so, 1 and 2. So similar than of the old one, but a little different. Then you're going to take 2 more of these clips, and this time again you're going to put the studs away from what we're building. So this is the female side here, and then put another one. You can see studs are on that side instead of this side, and you're just going to want to go around here now and take the cheese slopes, 1, 2, like this, and then fold it in like this. That's what you should have so far. And then you're going to take 2 1x1 plates, stack them together on each of those black new little joint piece. Okay, so that's what we should have now. And then we're just going to finish it off by doing the sides. So the same as before, a 1x4, a 1x1 black dot on each end, and a 1x2 smooth tile in the middle. And you can place it on here. And all we're going to do now is repeat for the other side very quickly. 1, 1, 1, and then put it on like this. So then, now you have the new MiniCon, MiniBot, MiniSpy, whatever you want to call it, in red, and let's see what the difference causes when you transform it into robot mode. Okay, so we're just going to see, he's almost a robot already. We're going to take these arms and we're going to move the sides out to be arms like this. we're then going to, like before, fold that section out and then fold this section forward like this. And that's pretty much it. The difference being now that you have separate legs. So if you really wanted to, you can have him running, or jogging, or whatever. So it gives you a little bit of posability, and it's kind of different. So he does kind of look like, not Leader 1, Turbo from the original GoBots, I guess, or he can kind of look weird. But again, all the other ones we've done, you can check out those. So if you substitute these four little black pieces for that other to 1x2 with handle, then you get separated legs, and then you can apply this, of course, to the other ones we've built. The only problem is they only come in like 3 or 4 different little colors. I think it's black, like dark red, brown, and I don't even know what the other color is. So they don't come in very many colors. So if you stick with the black, you can kind of make it very similar to before. So if you haven't seen the old version to do the comparison, you can check it out too. It'll be at the end of this video. And hope this inspires you to build your own crazy little creations out of Lego. Happy building, everyone. We'll talk to you soon, and take care.